Seek higher consciousness, a state of peacefulness, and know that God is always there, and every thought becomes a
I invite you now to get comfortable and relaxed in your seats. Open your minds and your hearts to receive whatever truth is yours to receive in this time of quiet. Our thoughts, our prayers. Take a deep, relaxing breath and allow your mind to just relax. Take these words from today's daily word as your own, as you continue to relax deeper and deeper. As I look within, the light of understanding dawns in me. As I look to the east on a clear morning, I see the sky begin to grow lighter about an hour before sunrise. The changes in color are nearly imperceptible at first. Birds begin their morning songs as the sky grows brighter. Then, as golden rays of light proclaim the rising sun, I hear these words from the creation story of Genesis: "Let there be light," and there is light. Illumination, the light of spiritual understanding, dawns within my own consciousness in much the same way. The darkness of ignorance begins to lighten. Insights emerge, dimly at first, then more vividly. Finally, understanding pours forth like the radiant morning sun, and there is light. If you haven't done so already, I invite you to gently close your eyes. And as you continue to sit restfully, I invite you to visualize a bright, shining light, soft, energizing, radiating warmth. See that light at the top of your head, slowly penetrating throughout your body, down through your face, your neck, and relax as that bright light warms you through your shoulders and your chest, your arms, your abdomen, your hips. Feel that light penetrating your thighs and your knees, the backs of your legs, your shins, and now your ankles and your feet. Wiggle your toes and feel that sensation of light illuminating your entire body. And now, as you continue to feel the warmth of that glow, I invite you just to be peaceful. Peaceful mind, peaceful heart, peaceful spirit in the silence. I invite you now to, ever so gently, feeling that light, that warmth, continue to glow in you. You are the light of the world. Know that as you gently open your eyes and look around you and see all the lights shining their truth, shining their joy, shining their love along with yours. As you go about the remainder of the day and the days ahead, remind yourself often of the pumpkin gospel, and remember that no matter what yucky stuff may be trying to get in the way of your peace, the light is still there. Let your light shine. And so it is. Spirit of God, fan the dull embers of my heart. Spirit of truth, shine on the words that wisdom speaks. Spirit of love, grant me love that hopes and believes. Spirit of life, come as the winds of heaven's breath. Come as the winds of heaven.